Filipino from Citizen TV. I believe this is your meeting tour in the vast Kisii County. And with you here today, what are some of the projects probably which are being initiated by the US government in Kisii County? And what are some other new areas of collaboration in which to initiate the Kisii County government this time around, and how much is the US government probably planning to inject into the Kisii County's economy? Thank you.
Yes, of course. So we have a number of different programs that add up to almost $80 million of investment in Kisii, 80 million US dollars. In medicines, technologies, and pharmaceutical services, in health, where we help diagnose TB, leprosy, and a lung disease program. We have a program for technology in health and HIV support for orphans and vulnerable children. We have a Western Kenya sanitation project, which I think could potentially be expanded dramatically. A Western Kenya water project here. And also some strengthening of democratic norms and values. And the governor has done a remarkable job on increasing own revenue from Kisii through countering to improving governance. I think there are some things that we can help there as well. And then perhaps something that is near and dear to my heart is primary literacy. Kindergarten through third grade, we do a lot of work on expanding literacy here. So all of those will continue, and we need to find new areas that we can make investments here. I'm particularly interested in jobs for young people. I think the biggest challenge is Kenya is jobs for your very talented young people. There's 1 million students every year who graduate from high school and college, and they don't find the kind of jobs that they deserve.